Good day, everyone. My name is Eza Ifuma Jennifer, and my topic is preliminary in silico evaluation of aphrodisiac effect of Azanza gakiana. This is my outline. So, aphrodisiacs, they are substances that can boost our sexual experience and prowess. And this aphrodisiac can include herbs, edibles, drugs that can affect our neurotransmitters and hormone levels that are linked to sexual stimulation. So, our statement of problem. Health, according to WHO, encompasses both physical, sexual, mental, and social well-being. And our CAM practitioners, they employ a holistic approach in treatment. That is, they treat an individual as a whole. So, an individual experiencing poor sexual health is not deemed fully healthy. So, therefore, we feel that assessing the aphrodisiac effects of Azanza will provide us with insight in the management of this sexual dysfunction. So just sexual dysfunction also poses a persistent challenge for both men and women, and individuals have put a great interest in using herbal products. So we feel that evaluating effectiveness of Azanza gakiana will address sexual dysfunction and offer valuable insights. Aims and objectives. The study is aimed to evaluate the aphrodisiac effects of Azanza gakiana fruits. And the objective of our study, we want to identify the phytochemicals present in Azanza gakiana, determine the proteins implicated in sexual dysfunction, carry out molecular docking simulation, study protein ligand interaction of the front-runner phytochemicals, determine the protein target class, and determine the solubility profile of our front-runner phytochemicals. Our method, literature mining to identify the known phytocompounds from the Azanza gakiana fruits. Then we go ahead to identify our targets of interest. Then we source 3D structure of our phytocompounds and proteins. After that, we prepare the phytocompounds and proteins using our PyMol and Autodoc tool. Going ahead, we conduct molecular docking simulation using Autodoc Vena. Then we conduct post-docking analysis, and after that, finally, we now identify the solubility profile of our chosen front-runner phytocompounds. So our results, a total of 21 phytochemicals were identified to be present in the Azanza gakiana fruits after our literature mining. So look at my slide, you see the 21 phytocompounds that were present in the Azanza gakiana fruits. Then the second method, which is choosing our protein targets. Our targets were chosen based on the mechanism of action of the standard drugs in the market that are already used as aphrodisiac. So we got our targets to be serotonin and phosphodiesterase 5. So this is the result of our 3D structure of the proteins downloaded from Protein Data Bank. Then we went ahead to do a molecular docking simulation. So after molecular docking, we got the binding affinities of our reference compounds and our front-runner phytocompounds. For this enzyme 1XOZ, 3 phytocompounds have better affinity. For 6A94, 4 phytocompounds showed better binding affinity. And 8W8B, 6 phytocompounds showed better binding affinity. So this table shows the binding affinity of our phytocompounds and our reference drugs for the 3 proteins. Then we move ahead to our post-docking analysis. This result is a result of Discovery Studio Visualizer. This shows the percentage of our amino acids that interact with our ligand. If you look here, you see our ligand, our standard drugs, and our phytocompounds, and the percentages of the amino acid that interacted with these phytocompounds. This is for the second protein and the third protein. Then we move on to the other results of our post-docking analysis. This is Swiss target prediction. So this Swiss target prediction is used to know the class that is targeted by our reference compound, our front-runner phytocompounds. For protein 1XOZ, the 3.3% front-runner compounds target our class, which is phosphodiesterase 5. For 6A9, 45% of the front-runner compounds target the class, which is family A GPCR. And for 8W8B, 50% of our phytocompounds target this class. Then for our solubility profile, we conducted solubility profile so that we can know the exact solvent that we can use to extract these our front-runner phytocompounds. This will aid us in our further studies. So in conclusion, this Azanza gakiana fruit that is being used in the northern part of Nigeria have shown that the phytochemicals compound has aphrodisiac potential. Therefore, our ongoing in vivo studies will provide us with a further insight, presenting a gateway to numerous possibilities. These are my references. Thank you for listening. Thanks.